This is OJUKWU'S bunker in Abia State. So guys, we are going to be touring the OJUKWU bunker. You can also call it a tunnel that leads to the secret house where OJUKWU lives or hide out during the Nigerian Civil War, the Nigerian Biafra Civil War. So you've seen our video on the War Museum. That is just a snippet of what this place look like. If you're new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do well to click the subscribe button and also turn on notification bell. So when you approach this bunker from the gate, you see a main house. From the main house, you see the path that leads to the bunker. So the door is about to be opened to this secret bunker that OJUKWU used during the Nigerian Civil War. So we are currently walking down the tunnel now. You can see how narrow it is, and this place is literally echoing. Every word you say here can echo around the whole place, and we are literally underground. Like I think the guy said it was dug down to 20 something feet, so it's very deep. So we are currently inside of this bunker, and this is the plan of the bunker that the engineers used in digging this bunker, and this is the kitchen of the bunker. So it has a room as well, and as well as the parlor. We'll be checking that out, and as well we'll be passing through where they usually keep prisoners or the soldiers arrested from the Nigerian army back then during the war. So, and this is one of the exit routes from the bunker. So let's pass through the back now. Let me show you where the prisoners were being held whenever they are captured. So this is the part they usually keep them along this passage. This passage is just behind where they have the room and the parlor where OJUKWU stays whenever he wants to just stay off the scene, and this bunker, like I said before, I'm going to be showing you what will come out of it. It leads directly, there's a tunnel down from the War Museum that we videoed before, where they did the radioing of the Biafra War. There is a tunnel that leads directly to this place, so I'm going to be showing you where that leads to directly. So we are currently inside of the parlor where OJUKWU holds several strategic meetings with some army generals and some allies. Some allies for the war. So this was where they used for their secret meetings, and you can see a lot of pictures are being pasted on the wall. These are some of the persons that usually comes here for secret meeting. And in this room as well, they have a very strong safe, and according to the tour guide that took us in, he said that safe is used to keep the minute of the meetings. Yeah, that is where he's currently resting his hand on. So he said the safe is very strong. Whenever they are done with any meeting, they keep the safe there. So he's just taking us through the names of various generals and various politicians that comes here for meeting. And this is OJUKWU's room where he usually sleeps, and here we'll move over down to the kitchen pretty soon. So this is the room. So in fact, they built it up to taste. It's just a one bedroom on the ground. So this is also one of the exits, like I mentioned, and trust me guys, I'm going to climb on this stuff to come out through the exit route. So we are currently climbing now. So the tunnel is just a place of hiding, a place where he hides whenever he needs to stay off the scene. So this is the route, one of the exit route, like I mentioned before. I'm going to be climbing out of this route pretty soon. My wife could not do this, but I had to do this just to give you guys the content in details. So they have these three strategically positioned around this tunnel. It's a massive landmark. So I made it out, and I had to video myself that yes, I'm up here. I currently made it out of the OJUKWU'S bunker. I currently made it out of the tunnel. So I came out of one of the routes, so we're outside pretty soon. This is how it looks like. So you literally have to jump, but because some persons cannot jump, they have to put a ladder there for you to come down. So 1, 2, 3 is the exit route from this place. As you can see, this whole environment is what is underneath. The bunker is underneath this whole environment you are seeing, and those little pipes you can see standing are pipes they use in taking air down to the bunker. Yeah, all of these pipes are used to take air down to the bunker, so it will not be too stuffy. So if you are still watching and you are new to our channel and you are not yet a subscriber, kindly do well to click the subscribe button. Also turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, thank you very, very, very much. And like I will always say, don't hesitate to give us your sincere thoughts, your review in the comment section about this bunker. Have you been here before? Are you from Abia State? Have you visited here before? If you have not, please do well to make a plan to visit this place and enjoy the history of the Nigerian Civil War. So this is the environment where the bunker is. Pretty soon we'll be going to the main house that we came from into the bunker. I wanted to see the bunker first before going to the main house. So we'll be going to the main house pretty soon to see what is there as well. So this is the main building. So anybody can come in here now, see this main building without knowing there is something underneath the ground. You understand? Oh, I forgot to point it out to you guys. The point that leads from here to the war museum, there's also a place you just follow underground. But currently in Umuahia now, the places has been blocked because of development and all of that. So there's a hole you just follow straight from the war museum down to this place before. But all of that has been covered. So we're in the main house now. This is the parlor of the main building, and still taking us through some historical events that happened during the Nigerian Civil War. So just taking us through the clips that they have. So all of this clip as well is still available in the War Museum, should in case you visit there. Just a little clip difference because of the meetings that was being held here. So some clips, some footage, I mean to say, are different from the ones you will see in the War Museum. So these are just pictures of the Nigerian army, some of them that were executed, some of the Biafran guys that was caught killing somebody that was not, that when they were not authorized to kill, later sentenced to death by firing squads. So all of those pictures are available. Pictures of after the war, when they reunited, you know, these are pictures of some of them receiving treatment in the hospital, some children being malnourished, and the mothers, lack of food and everything. All of this history is available. This is a place you should visit and learn about the Nigerian Civil War. So that is one of the Russian army that came to assist the Biafrans in the fight, but was later killed during the war. So all of this, in this parlor, you have the historical footage from the Nigerian Civil War. So I believe you are enjoying this clip as much as I am enjoying it. So if you have not subscribed, I will say again, kindly do well to click the subscribe button. And don't forget to give us your thoughts in the comment section. And also do help us share this video as much as you can.
So guys,
we just left OJUKWU'S bunker. First, I walked down that tunnel. I didn't just walk, I climbed it and I came out like a warlord. So I believe you found the video very interesting as much as we enjoyed shooting it. So kindly do well to let us know what you think about it in the comment section. Have you been here before? Do let us know. And just to put out the information, the gate fee is 500 per person, but if they are running journey, there's no light,
extra 500.
It's extra 500. That's 1,000. Or you guys will go with the torchlight. You know the way tunnel is. This is a serious tunnel. When you are talking, your voice is echoing. You know, so you have to give them money for fuel for gen. So that's
1,000 naira.
1,000 per person. But if there's light for 500, you do your thing. So, but it was quite informative. So
and
let us know.
the tour guide really explained.
Yes. The tour guide truly explained it.
So guys, let's know what you think. If you have not, make sure you click the subscribe button
to help us share the video. We'll catch you in the next video.
Bye.